Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
It is 9 a.m. We'll call the docket for October the 4th, 2021. First one on the docket, Tanolan 369-321, State versus Julian Pardo. Elizabeth Settle is attorney.
Judge, that's an MTR. And Elizabeth Settle is not the attorney on it. She represented him at probation. And she's not going to be appearing.
What?
I have Mr. Prado here in the courtroom.
Is it Prado or Pardo?
Pardo. Oh, P-A-R-D. Pardo.
Who's your attorney, Mr. Pardo?
I don't have one, sir.
It's an MTR, Judge.
I know it is. I suggest that you need an attorney because you might go to jail as a result of this motion. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hire an attorney?
I can. Yes, sir.
Pardon me?
Yes, sir.
Then I'm gonna call you in 1 week and come in with an attorney at that time.
Yes, sir.
It's October 11th.
All right. At this time, you're excused, sir.
Okay.
586188, State versus Catherine Hernandez Lay. That's Oscar Hernandez, attorney. Catherine Hernandez Lay.
Ariana, aquí estoy.
Good morning, Judge. She's present. Judge, we were to order the PTD application, which I didn't get submitted to this weekend. So we just need an extension for them to review her application.
All right. We're going to reset it for 60 days because that system can be very slow.
Thank you, Judge.
You have any other case, Oscar?
I do, Judge, but it's going to be a plea, so I'm assuming we'll do it at the end of the docket. Ms. Story, she's an add-on.
Very good. All right. Ms. Hernandez Lay is excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 592-840 and 592-842, State of Texas versus Abacuc Martinez, and the attorney is Adam Crawshaw, who is a recent new father. This is going to be reset, Patty?
Yes, sir, to November 4th.
All right. Any word on the baby or mother or anything?
No, sir.
All right. We need to inquire. 593362, State versus Josue Gomez, attorney Eric DeWalt. It's supposed to be a plea. Patricia?
Yes, sir.
It's scheduled for 9? All right, we'll
Yes,
wait
sir.
and see. 593712 and 593714, State versus Yashua Galindo Cervantes, the attorney, Robert Johnson. Well, doggone it. Robert Johnson, no response. The client, no response, absent. 595-298, State versus Francisco Garza, attorney, Kelly Green. Ms. Kelly Green? No response.
Oh,
And Francisco Garza is absent.
Your Honor,
Yes?
Adam Crawshaw is logging on now.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
All right. Adam Crawshaw.
Well,
Adam Crawshaw.
or have to be just
Mr. Crawshaw, you in yet?
Not yet, Judge.
Okay. How about his client, Habacuc Martinez? Are you in, sir?
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Good morning, Mr. Martinez.
Good morning, Judge.
Looks like you're
Good morning, Judge.
Adam? Adam
Yes.
Crawshaw.
Yes, sir.
Are you here?
I am here.
All right. Congratulations. I understand you got a new baby.
Yes, sir.
What you got?
Little boy.
Little boy. Well, congratulations to you. Mama and baby okay?
Yes, sir, they are.
Good. Well,
Thank you.
God's blessings to you. That is a blessing already. Adam,
Yes.
what you gonna do this morning?
Judge, I would like for Mr. Martinez to be excused, and I would like the opportunity to confer with the state.
You'll be number one to confer, Mr. Crawshaw. Ms. Pollard, are you with us this morning?
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Would you like to confer with the new daddy? Mr.
I can,
Crawshaw. And again, congratulations, Adam. Let's see. And just to double check, Joshua Galindo Cervantes, are you present? Robert Johnson, attorney. Okay. 595757, State versus Jaime Castañeda, attorney Stephen Harkowitz.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Steve.
Okay, Mr. Castaneda has two cases. One is possession of marijuana, which is the 595757. He also has 600,479. It's my understanding that he's a fugitive on the POM case. And I have not been able to make contact with him. Actually, I have not had any contact with Mr. Castaneda since I was appointed back in June. I've contacted his, well, on one case, he's on AA best bail bond, and the other one is cowboy bail bond. I've contacted both of them. They've both provided me numbers. I've contacted those numbers, which have not been good numbers, and I've been unsuccessful to make contact with him.
All right, Stephen, well, then you're excused. You're gonna be a failure to appear. We list him as a fugitive already, so.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
I appreciate you showing up. 598585, State versus Javier Rodriguez, attorney, Neil Kalfas.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Mr. Kalpas, and I believe Mr. Rodriguez is on as well. I thought I saw him anyway.
I'm here.
Okay.
All right. Good morning to you. What are you doing this morning, Neil?
Your Honor, and this is Sergio for Mr. Kalpas. Judge, good morning. If I could confer with the state, I'd appreciate that.
Sergio Ibarra,
Yes, sir. Good morning.
good morning. You're gonna confer?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Haas, good morning.
good morning, Your Honor.
Can you be kind enough to confer with Mr. Ibarra, please?
Yes, sir.
598860, good morning. Luis Martinez, and the attorney is Ruby Gonzalez Garcia.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Have you heard, is this your attorney, is Ruby Gonzalez Garcia?
Yes, sir. She
Have
just
you heard-
texted me about today, last night. That's it.
All right, did she say anything about whether she's gonna show up or not?
No, sir.
All right, show her no response. Stick around. We'll see if she shows up.
All right.
599-829, State versus Gregory Fernandez, attorney Robert White.
Good morning, Judge. This is Charles Peters, present for Robert White.
Good morning, Charles. How are you?
Doing well, Judge. I just need to, I believe, confer with, I believe I spoke with Ms. Haas last time. So if I can get in the line to confer.
You will be listed to confer. We'll try to get you Ms. Haas.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Is your client here, Gregory Fernandez? As of right now, he's absent. No response. All right. Set for a plea, 614-382, State versus Sarah Escobedo. And case
Morning.
number 614-383. Two cases. Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Lopez.
Morning, Your Honor. That is correct. We're set for a plea today. I'm just waiting on the paper to receive the paperwork. I do have to be in presiding this morning, so hopefully we can get this done before then. If not, I'd ask to, maybe we can do it tomorrow. But we'll certainly try to get it done today.
All righty. We'll see what we can do. 614-577, State versus Sofio Gutierrez, and that is Cole Nettles, attorney.
Good morning. Barrera here for Mr. Nettles.
What is your name, sir?
It's Ivan Barrera, Judge.
Oh, okay. Ivan, is Mr. Gutierrez around?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Oh, very good. All right. Mr. Barrera, what are you doing this morning?
Judge, he's already been accepted into the PTD program. We've already signed the contract. So it's just a matter of him getting reached out by the PTD staff to get him started with orientation.
How much time you need?
Judge, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. He should be starting probably this week.
We'll recall you in 2 weeks.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Anything else you got this morning, Ivan?
Yes, Judge. I got one more. It's on the next page. 630-918.
630-918. Is this Tony Flores or whatever that
Yes,
name is?
I'm here for him as well.
How do you pronounce his name?
It's Polaris.
Ulrich.
Ivan, you
Yes,
also
Patty.
have Carlos Vargas.
Yes, Nathaniel Navy is here on that one. He's logged on as well.
Elsa Parras. Ms. Elsa Parras. Looks like that client's absent, Ivan, but we'll see. We'll list you. You want to confer on her?
Yes, Judge.
We'll list you to confer, Ivan.
Thank you, Judge.
Already.
I'm here.
Ms. Parras.
Yes.
Very good. All right. Your attorney will be doing some work. Stick around until he releases you or asks me to release you.
Okay, thank you.
619-188. State versus Danielle Sexton, attorney Abel Dominguez.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Sexton.
Good morning.
Abel Dominguez. No response at this time.
I
Stick
spoke with
around,
him
Ms.
a couple days ago.
Pardon me?
I spoke with him just maybe I think Thursday or Friday.
Okay. He's usually pretty good about showing up. We'll have to wait. Maybe it's on another court. 6-2-0-0-5-2, State versus Jose Graciano, and the attorney is Roland Gutierrez.
Judge, I'm here on behalf of Roland Gutierrez, Chris Garcia. Our client is having a hard time logging in. I'm gonna try to get him logged in or come to the office to log in. As you know, he's in special session. Hopefully this will be the last one, and so he wanted me to urge that motion to the court.
Which motion are you talking about?
I believe we filed a motion for legislative continuance.
What?
I don't know. I don't know if I need to define.
Legislative continuance.
I think you know very, very well that motion, Judge.
I am very, very familiar with it. Yes, sir. Is your client here?
Judge, he's having a hard time logging in. We have good contact with him. I mean, we just texted him. He's saying he's having a hard time logging in.
Well, it's not going to make any difference because your motion is not yours, but the senator's motion is granted. So you have no worries whatsoever.
Perfect,
Patricia,
Judge.
make note that the legislative continuance is granted.
Yes, Judge.
I hope you did file it, Mr.
Yeah, I'll verify. I'll verify, Judge. But
Right.
if not, I'll file it again. I mean,
Make sure you do, Chris. Make sure that it's there. I have no problem granting it whatsoever.
We'll do, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, you are. 620-512, State versus Rick Garza. That is Shannon Locke.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Javier Garcia. I'm here for Mr. Shannon Locke. And regarding Rick Garza, I know he called the office about 5 minutes before 9. He was having problems logging in from work. But this is a pretrial diversion. He was accepted into the program, but we're waiting for the contract. We should get it by the end of today, as far as an email that was sent last Friday.
How much time are you asking for him?
If I can get a 30-day reset, just to make sure that we have time to go over the contract with them, everything should be completed before that.
You got 30-day reset. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
620. You're
Hey,
excused.
this is Rick Garza. I was able to come in on time.
Yes, sir, you're fine. You're excused. 620-523, State versus Jared Hernandez, attorney Kevin Stryker.
Here, Your Honor. I'm here.
Which one are you, Jared?
I'm Jared Hernandez.
Okay. Looks like you applied for pretrial diversion.
Yes.
Was it granted? Do you know?
No, I'm not sure. I had spoken with my lawyer like 10 minutes before the Zoom started.
Okay.
So I'm not sure.
Okay, we'll have to check on it. Stick around.
Okay, I will.
626-133, State versus Francisco Lopez.
Present, Your Honor.
Tony Jimenez III.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lopez.
Yes, sir.
Where is your attorney?
I don't know, Your Honor. They told me he would be here. They just told me to log in today and we will talk, but I've been here and I haven't heard from him.
Stick around, I'm sure he'll show up.
Okay, Your Honor.
627-057, State versus Jeremy Guerra, attorney Angela Blake.
I'm present, Your Honor. Just waiting for my attorney.
All
And
right.
she
got-
let me know that she's running late. She's in other courts.
Correct. That's what she told me to.
All righty. Then you have to stick around and wait for her.
Thank you.
628-570. At the jail. Theodore Ziller, attorney David Garcia. Theodore Ziller is present, whether he wants to be or not, but we have not ordered him. David Garcia, attorney. No response.
Your Honor, Attorney Tony Jimenez is logging on now.
Thank you, ma'am. 631-223, State versus Juliana Herrera, Suzanne Kramer. Juliana Herrera is absent at this time. Suzanne Kramer. No
Judge,
response.
Suzanne Kramer is running late. She's in another court.
Thank you, ma'am. 635014, State versus Pamela Guerrero, attorney, Dave Sanchez.
Hello, I'm here, Pamela Guerrero. I know Dave mentioned, texted me earlier saying that he had another court to be in, but for me just to hang on, that's the communication I got this morning.
Very good. Thank you, ma'am. Stick around. 651230 and 651231, State versus Errol Carrier. He's at the jail. Oscar Hernandez.
Good morning, Judge. We filed those motions for a PR bond. These cases are to be taken into consideration on his felony plea, which is not set till November. This court has ruled on one of them, giving him a PR bond, but set the other one at 500, which my client can still not make.
Is what?
The court ordered PR bond for one of
Yes,
his cases.
I know, but what was the last part of your comment?
My client cannot afford the $500 bond. He's been in continuous custody since last year. We've gone to Judge Carruthers, and unfortunately he had to go away for a little bit and came back and restored competency. And now he still finds himself still in custody.
All right, so right now the issue is
651230. Yes, sir. 651230 still has a $500 bond.
right. Well, since there was an issue of competency, I will go ahead and grant the PR bond, but I want to make a note, Patty, that there was a significant issue of competency at the time of his being charged. Therefore, I will grant the PR bond. I had granted on the other one because of the type of charge. I was not in a hurry to grant a PR bond, as you might imagine.
Sure, well, I understand that, Judge.
All right, we'll go ahead and grant that, Patricia. Let Linda know.
And waive fees, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Is he under special needs or anything?
No, Judge. The felony court just wanted him to be able to attend, I think well, he may have some special conditions with the PSI over there. But they reset it to like middle of November for the plea in which these two cases will be TIC'd.
All right. Very good. 652809, State versus Aaron Dolan, attorney, Benjamin Doherty.
I'm present, Your Honor. Hello. Mr. Dolan is also present.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Doherty. What are you doing this morning?
I'd like to speak with the district attorney if possible.
You are on the list to confer, sir.
Your Honor, I'm doing another court in 7 minutes. Can Mr. Dolan is present. Can you be on standby?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Mr. Dolan, stick around. We'll get with you. 652873, State versus Tyree Cunningham, and the attorney is.
Sorry, good morning, Judge. I'm here. Good morning, Judge. Can you hear me?
Who is that masked woman?
It's Mary Patricia, Judge. Can you hear me?
I know it is. I recognize you. How are you, Mary?
Oh, doing well, Judge.
That's good. All right, what are you going to do this morning, Mary?
Well, trying to locate Mr. Cunningham. I think this was a case that we were going to do a plea on, and the prosecutor needed to figure out what the restitution amount was.
Okay, Mr. Cunningham did not, I thought he responded. Harry Cunningham?
Sit over there. Just sit over there.
No, he didn't.
How can I help you?
All right. Mary, we'll have to wait and see if he shows up or whatever. Are you gonna be able to find him?
Yes, Judge, I'm gonna work on locating him.
All right, it's gonna be a failure to appear, but you'll have a week to produce him.
Yes, Judge.
If he happens to come in or you get a hold of him today, would you report to us?
Yes, Judge, will do.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
652-896, State versus Damon Lee Crawford, and the attorney is Jesse Sanchez.
I'm here, Your Honor. This is Damon Crawford. Jesse Sanchez is in another court currently.
All right, sir. Stick around. We'll wait for him to show up.
Yes, sir.
657-654-657-655, both State versus Christopher Dominguez, and the attorney is Raimundo Aleman. Raimundo Aleman, no response. Christopher Dominguez. Absent. 658-645, State versus Mercedes Pacheco. Attorney Rene Munoz.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Munoz. Where's
Yes,
your
Judge.
client?
Client is not here at the moment. I inadvertently sent the link to the wrong email. So I believe she's trying to log on. Judge, if we could be recalled to the end so I can update the court, I'd appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. We'll wait, see if she shows.
Thank you, Judge.
659-110, State versus Nelson Alvarez Andrade, and that is Melanie Lida, is attorney.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here and so is my client. I would need to confer with the state on this matter.
You are on the list to confirm it. Thank you for being here.
Can I be placed into a breakout room with my client to get some additional contact information, please? And may he be excused while I confer?
Yes, ma'am. Patricia, make it so.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for being on time. 666-132, State versus Ray Castillo. Attorney José Rocha.
Más información tuya que no sabe nada.
José Rocha. No response. Ray Castillo. Absent.
Judge, Jose Rocha was present. He had to go to the 144.
Already.
He'll be back.
And no word from his client, Ray Castillo?
No,
All
sir.
right.
Present, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
Present, Your Honor.
Ray Castillo?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I see your name, but I don't see you. Is there a reason why you don't have the camera on?
This phone, I just gotten it and I'm really trying to work with it. Can you see me now?
No, sir. Don't worry about it at this point.
There you go, sir.
There he is, Judge.
There you are.
Sorry about that.
There you are. There you got, see, you're getting annoyed after all.
Yes, sir.
All right, Ray, just stick around and wait for
Your
Mr. Rocha.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I couldn't find Miss Lida's client. I see him now. So I'm gonna put them in a breakout room.
All righty. Antonio Jimenez III.
Present and accounted for.
And you notice I enunciate carefully. How are you, Tony?
I'm doing great, Judge.
Good to hear it. Good to see you. What are you doing this morning, Tony?
Judge, I have Francisco Lopez on your docket, and I need to return to the 399th and the 227th. Could I place Mr. Lopez on standby with the court's permission and then come back at the conclusion of these other cases?
Sure.
And I do need to speak to a prosecutor, of course, when I get back.
We will put you in the list of conferring.
Yes, Judge, thank you.
And your client is excused if you want to let him go.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
You're welcome. 667-937, State versus Adam Rodriguez. Attorney Fernando Ramos.
I'm here, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
We're hoping to take a plea in that case as a result of a larger scenario where he has an MTR in a district court. That felony prosecutor wanted him to take a plea on the misdemeanor before he would make any decision on the MTR.
Okay.
So if you could put me in line to confer, and I'm waiting to take a plea in the 226. Judge, may I go there and prepare the paperwork and come back?
Absolutely. There's no rush here.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
See you soon.
668-623, State versus Edgar Starr. Attorney Greg Desmarais.
That got reset to November 17th. Felony pending indictment.
Very good. 668-733, State versus Stacy Thompson. Attorney Robert Barons, the judge.
I'm here, Judge. How are you?
I am well. Good to see you, Judge. How you been? Well,
doing
actually,
all right.
good to hear you because I don't see you.
Oh, well,
Is your client here?
I don't know, Judge. I sent her a text this morning with the information.
Stacy Thompson does not appear to be here at this moment. You'll have to try and produce her. What are you doing this morning, Judge?
I'll be glad to confer, Judge. I actually didn't even realize about this appointment till I checked the docket this morning and found my appointment email unopened. So I had never even opened it. So that's why I got notice to her late.
All right, well, see if you can produce her. But meantime, I'm putting you on the list to confer.
Okay. Oh, and Kelly had a case on the first page. I think it was 595-268. Francisco, he's a fugitive. Just wanted to verify that he's still a fugitive as far as we know. Francisco.
What was this one?
595-298.
On page 1, Judge.
Mm-hmm.
Francisco Garza,
Gotcha.
fugitive. Kelly Green is the attorney.
Yeah.
Are you answering for Kelly, Judge?
Yes, Judge. And she still has no contact with him either. I guess he's been a fugitive for quite some time.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to list him as a failure to appear then. If y'all are able to produce him within a week, I will not issue the warrant.
All right.
All right. And 665-938, State versus Kelsey Lauren Story, Oscar Hernandez.
Judge, this is a recall from Friday, I believe, Thursday for the plea. I've been in contact with Pat. We're just waiting for Patty. We're just waiting for the paperwork for the signing.
All righty. That's the docket for this morning.